Hello, folks. Let's try to break the answer for this question. Okay, this is question number 27. So let me read this. Choose the options. How do you extend a target material of new sales order, plant, and distribution channel from source material to from source material? Okay, so basically, this is the question about how you are going to extend your material. Okay, let's try to read the options for this. One is change item category. Not at all, because item category is part of your sales tab in Material Master. So answer is wrong. Create sales document type. There is no relation. Change material. Change material is nothing but which is already got created. So in change, you cannot able to extend. Create material is the right answer. While creating material, your target sales organization, target distribution channel, plant, storage location, all these things, you can able to extend it from source to target. So create material type and choose a different industry. All these are the wrong answers. Only D is the correct answer. So I really appreciate the person who tried this answer. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. And I would like to request you, I'm just providing my course links below this description. If you really wanted to get train yourself, please try the description box, the links which I have provided. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. I wish you all the best.